Hey guys, welcome back to the DelfStack, and this is how to retrieve Messenger conversation. So, guys, if you ever wondered how to do that, first thing, if you have archived your message or conversation, for example, I did an archive on this one over here. So, if you do that and you have remove your conversation to retrieve it, you will go to the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now over here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the archive over here. And you should be able to see the list of all the archive that you did. And you can just simply tap on it and you will have an option down below on archive. So guys, however, if you have deleted a conversation, what you could try to do is simply go ahead and go to your Facebook, go to the menu, go to the settings on the top right, and now over here, go to see more in account center. And down below, you will have an option, your information and permissions. Here you will have export your information. You just simply go ahead and tap create export, select your profile, export to a device. Now over here, guys, you will have an option over here, customize the information. And now, as you can see, you will have your messages. So you can just simply untick the others so you won't download any other data. And now you will have an option to just download the messages. Once you have done that, select save. And of course, if we scroll down, you could choose the date range as well and the format, and you could just simply select start, export, and after that, it will let you to sign in into your account again. And once you have done that, it will download and it will notify into your email once it is done, and you can just simply check it out. And there you go.